Hey everybody, welcome back to another video, guys. It's Seafood Sunday, guys. You know, I always do the same thing. I always have lobster and king crabs and snow crabs and Dungeness crabs and shrimps, and I never have fish, okay? Or just a plain whiting sandwich, right? So today, my mother made a plain whiting sandwich. Now, it's not plain because I put avocado in it, I put cilantro in it, I put mayo ketchup in it, I got my jalapeno, guys. Check it out. Check it out. Guys, don't forget to tap, okay? And tap again the like, share, and subscribe button, guys, and that notification bell, guys. I wish you can smell it, guys. This is whiting fish, cilantro, avocado, mayo ketchup. Mayo ketchup is mayonnaise and ketchup together. Oh, I added some minced garlic onto the fish, okay? And I have my jalapeno. You already know, guys. I have Big Bertha in the house. She here. Big Bertha, where you at? I have some Poland Spring water, guys. Water. Sometimes we need water, okay? It's good to drink salsa. It's good to drink soda. But once in a while, water is very important. Okay, guys? I'm having fun, guys. It doesn't have to be salsa to have fun. Okay, I squirted the water in the cup. Let her cool down, okay, guys? Now, let's take this bite. Let's make this bite count, okay? Let's make it count, all right? Now, I'm going to... I don't have a knife. I didn't bring a knife over here. So... Let me chop this jalapeno up, guys, okay? Because what I want to do is I want to put it in the sandwich, guys. Okay. Yes. Yes. Oh my God. Listen, my mouth is watering. Okay, I don't know about yours, but I know about mine. Because I can smell it and I'm about to taste it, guys. Let me know how you're doing in the comments below, guys, okay? I'm doing amazing. I feel good, okay? Recovery is possible. Keep your mind positive. Continue to work on your goals, okay? Spread positive vibes out into that universe. Oh, wait. All right? Don't let anything or anyone take you out of character, guys. It's not worth it, okay? It's not. Okay, I think we have a jalapeno in every bite, all right? Let's look at it again. Let's look at it again. I need to take a picture, guys. Hold on. Hold on, because I'm too fast. Too fast. Let me take a picture of this. This is hot. I need to take a picture. I need to take this picture like right now. Photo. Actually, I can video it. It smells so good. Oh my God. Okay, so I did that. Now, I need to take a bite out of this. It's a big sandwich, guys. And I picked it up. I can't even close it. Look at this. There's nothing like homemade food, guys. Come on, guys. Let's take this bite. Come on. Mmm. Mm. Oh my God, mommy! Mmm. Whoa. That's just me, guys. I like homemade food. Oh my God. The combination of the fried whiting and the avocado, the cilantro, and the jalapeno, and the mayo ketchup is perfect. Mm. Mmm. I can taste the minced garlic in there too. Wow. So good. Mmm. Oh my God. Oh my God. Mmm. Whoa. Mmm. Oh my God. Crazy. Mm. And it's something different, guys. Something different. Something that I haven't had in a very, very long time. A fish sandwich. I haven't had it in a long time, guys. You know, you be watching me. Mmm. So good. Oh my God. Mmm. I didn't toast the bread, guys. It's Italian bread. It's already hard. So I didn't toast it. Mmm. The fish is fried, and that's hard enough for me. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my God. How can a plain old sandwich taste so good? Wow. Mm. I'm glad I did this today, guys. I really am. Because I was going to do a boil. I was going to do a seafood boil. But I woke up lazy today, guys. I'm not even going to lie to you. I woke up lazy today. Okay, I don't know why. Because I don't do much. I shouldn't feel lazy. But when I went in that kitchen, guys, and I looked at everything and I said, oh my God. I went and I told my mother, I said, Mommy, fry me some fish. I want a fish sandwich. Oh my God, the cilantro in this goes very well. Somebody told me, this is why I laugh every time I find the food so good. She said, every time you eat and I watch you eat, you make everything look and taste good. Just with your expression and your dance. And I'm like, it's that it is. So I laugh. I laugh because you can't make this up. You can't. I can't make it up. If it's something that I eat or taste and I didn't like, you see it in my face. You see it, you will know. You will know. So good. Big Bertha, where you at? I'm choking the bread. Oh my God. Water is so refreshing. Oh my goodness. I need some more. Oh, I needed it. And since it's fried, I don't really like frying my food. You see, I don't fry my wings. If I want crispy wings, I stick it in the air fryer. I do not fry nothing. I just don't like fried foods too much. Even though we know that it's not healthy. But it's personally, I don't like fried foods. It's so good. This is so good. So simple and so good. It's crazy. Wow. Happy Sunday, guys. It's Sunday. It's the Puerto Rican parade today. Okay. Let me open the window. It's the curtain. It feels kind of chilly. It feels kind of gloomy. It's like kind of gloomy. And it was raining earlier, drizzling. Yeah. Oh, yes. Yes. I'm getting full, guys. That was a big sandwich. That was big. Then I get the itis. See? Nice and fried. So good. So good. So simple and good. Make yourself a fish sandwich today, okay, guys? Whoa. I'm done. I'm done. Oh my God. This was amazing. Woo. And I was hungry too, guys. Oh my God. And room for more. I was not going to cook all that food today. No. No. Usually I am motivated, you know. And room for more. Hey, and room for more. Not today. Not today. Guys, you already know, guys. I love you guys so much. Oh my God, from the bottom of my heart, guys. Thank you for watching me. If you watched me to the end, kudos, 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 kudos. Because you could have been doing something else. It's Sunday. Okay? Usually people in church. And today, a lot of people are at the parade. So, praying for everyone's safety at the parade. Yesterday was the Puerto Rican Festival on 116th Street. You know, I haven't looked at the news, so I don't know if any tragedies. But you know, every time there's the parade, any kind of parade, you're going to hear it in the news. Somebody got killed, somebody got groped, somebody got raped. It's always something. But anyway, guys, I'll see you guys next time, okay? Bye.